Well, some new sacks of garbage from this afternoon.
Hi, sir.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi.
We've been cleaning all day and lots of garbage. We're making some inroads here and cleaning this place up. So, this is the way of the future. It's one element for the stopping plastic poisoning of the planet. Hire people that need work, disadvantaged people, give them work. They're motivated, they do a great job cleaning, and they can achieve far more than any technology or volunteer effort can ever achieve. If you want to treat this problem serious, people need to be employed and hired. They've done a lot here. Got sacks and sacks of garbage out. Not even sure how many sacks? Leah? Leah, how many sacks today, all?
16, abang 17.
Things look a lot better. Do you know how many sacks total today?
This only?
All.
40. Ilan yung kanina? 40? Hindi yung kanina umaga?
58, right? 58 today? Or more?
Kailan kaninang umaga? Yung kaninang umaga ilan?
Umaga, ilan doon dala nyo?
Yung basura. 40 plus yun eh.
Ha?
40 plus?
40 plus yung kaninang
40 plus.
Ilan? Hindi.
This is 18, so
Morning, 40.
morning 14, and then today 18 more here. Anyway, it's a lot of plastic that's removed. It's a great job that everybody's done. It's a beautiful area. It's a rainforest. It's a coastal beach. It's got seagrasses. Coral reefs are farther out there. It needs to be protected.